Hi dear children, welcome to English class. Hope you read the previous class portions and understood the story of four friends. Do you remember the story? Yes, it's a story of a deer, a mouse, a tortoise and a crow. One day a deer was trapped by a hunter's net and other friends went to save her. That was the story we learned. So let us see what happens to Daisy, whether Monty was able to save or release Daisy or not. Okay, so they reached to Daisy and Daisy told, "Thank you so much, Monty." Daisy told, "Thank you so much." By the time Daisy is rescued, Tinku reaches the spot because Cuckoo was carrying Monty and take Monty to Daisy's place. By the time Tinku the tortoise, he is very slow in walking, isn't it? He was slowly walking and reached to the place where Daisy was trapped. So as soon as Monty released Daisy told, "Thank you so much, Monty." By the time Daisy is rescued means saved, Tinku reaches the spot. Tinku the tortoise reaches the spot. Cuckoo, "Run, everybody run. The hunter is here." So that time Cuckoo the crow said, "Let's run because the hunter is here." Monty, "Look, the hunter has caught Tinku. He has put him in a bag." The hunter has caught Tinku. He has put him in a bag. Monty told, "See, the hunter is already catch Tinku and put him in the bag." Cuckoo, "Oh no, we should help him. We should not allow. We have to help him." Daisy, "I have a plan. I am going to lie down a good distance away where the hunter can see me. Cuckoo can sit on me. The hunter will think that I am dead. He will come towards me. At that moment, Monty can cut the bag and save Tinku." So by the time Monty released Daisy, the hunter came and hunter saw Tinku the tortoise and he caught him and put Tinku in his bag. So the other friends were very sad. That time Daisy had a plan. She told, "I will lie down somewhere far from here and where the hunter can see me." And Cuckoo told to the Cuckoo, the crow, "You sit on my body so that the hunter will think that I am dead. Then the hunter will come and trying to take me. That time Monty go and release Tinku." Then Monty told, "That is a good plan. Let us do it. This is a good plan. Let us do it." You see, the hunter is chasing the animals. The hunter sees Daisy lying on the ground and Cuckoo sitting on her. When hunter was looking far away, a deer is dead and a crow is sitting over the deer. He put the bag down and walks towards Daisy. So he thought that it's a good time, I can get a deer. So he put his bag near the ground and walked towards Daisy. That time Monty quickly cuts the bag open. Tinku and Monty hide behind the bushes. Meanwhile, as the hunter nears Daisy, she darts away. The four friends escape and live together happily. So hunter kept his bag down and went to take Daisy. That time Monty went and cut his bag and released Tinku. And as soon as Tinku is released, Daisy got up and ran away. And after that, four friends lived together happily. And this is the story. So from this story, you should understand that where the friends are together, where they are living together, loving together each other, they can also help each other when someone is in a trouble. So we are also to be like that. Whenever our friends are in a need, we should help them. Okay, always help others. So you have to make a habit of helping others. When others are in a trouble, we have to help them. So this is the moral we have to learn from this story. So here the friends saved other two friends' life, and they lived happily. And next is exercise. You have to match the names of the animals in column A with their descriptions in column B. So you already know who are the animals and what are their names. Tingu, Daisy, Cuckoo, Monty, and their descriptions are given in a disorder. You have to find out the correct descriptions. Black, big eyes, can fly. You know who can fly. So you have to match who is that. Then tiny grey sharp eyes. Who has tiny grey sharp eyes? Then big eyes, golden in color, small white spot. Find out who is that. Then very slow, green and brown color, hard shell. That also you know. By seeing this clue, you know who are these animals, and please match in your textbook, and during the live class let us find the answers. Then you have to read page number 115 and 16 and also do the exercise. In the exercise there is choose the right answer to fill in the blanks. Second exercise is you have to choose the correct answer. First question, one day Monty, Tingu and Cuckoo met near a dash. Options are given, find out the correct option. Then second one, a dash trapped Daisy in a net. Who trapped Daisy in a net? Find out the correct answer. Third one is the hunter trapped Tingu in a dash. The hunter trapped Tingu in a dash. Hunter trapped Tingu where? So that also we learned from the story. So dear children, once again I am asking you to read the story and understand the story. Okay, then you can do these two exercises, match the following and choose the correct answer. And today's class is over. Please read the story and be ready for the live class. Okay, thank you.